I've put the link down below if you like my template and you want to use it. If you've never used Notion, it's a little bit tricky to use. I'm going to try and explain it now to you. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Clark. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel. I have not filmed in 2 years and I have a sore throat. So I'm just going to get straight into this video. Today's video is about the Project 50 challenge. If you've been on TikTok or Instagram, then you might have seen this challenge. If you haven't, I'll quickly run through the rules. But first, let's discuss why I'm doing this challenge. I've always thought that by 25 I'd have my life figured out, but that's not the case. In fact, last week I quit my job, which means I have no structure in my life and I'm a little bit depressed, if I'm being honest. In the next 50 days, I'm hoping to become stronger mentally and I'm hoping to become my best self. This challenge will help with that, and that's why I'm doing it. Now, onto the rules. There are 7 rules. It's pretty much self-explanatory. I have them written down in this little notebook so I don't forget any of them. Rule number 1 is to wake up before 8 a.m. I'm a morning person, so this one won't be too challenging for me. Rule number 2 is to follow a morning routine for 1 hour, no distraction. Rule number 3 is to exercise for 1 hour every day. I'm changing this rule a little bit just because I want one day to rest. That might be a Saturday or a Sunday. You can change it up however you like. Rule number 4 is to read 10 pages of any book. Some videos say to read non-fictional books, but I'm reading a fictional book. Rule number 5 is to follow a healthy diet. I'm on a calorie deficit. It's not healthy because I'll have ice cream or something, but as long as it's a calorie deficit, it works for me, so do what works for you. Rule number 6 is to learn a new skill. I've always wanted to learn how to roller skate, so currently I'm learning how to roller skate. Rule number 7 is the most important rule. It is to track your daily progress using a journal. I'm using an app called Notion. Notion is free. All I did was take one of their built-in templates and I tweaked it a bit. That's all I did, literally. I've linked the template down below. If you are from my TikTok and you don't have a Notion account, you'll need to first make a Notion account and then you click on the link, and then I can't explain it now, but there's 3 lines or 3 dots. You'll need to click on that and you'll need to press duplicate so it comes into your Notion, because the link, it basically just takes you to a screen. I really can't explain it. I'll have to show it to you guys, but it's a bit tricky to use. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you made it this far, leave a little red heart down in the comments just to let me know.
If you found the one, you should never